Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log out of your Viber on your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log out of your Viber on your Android phone, let's open up our Viber app first. And after opening your Viber app, you can see the three-line icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, which is the more. Tap on that more button, and over here you can see the settings option available. Over here, tap on settings, and on this list there is the general option available over here at the below of appearance. At the bottom of the list, tap on general, and over here you can see the exit button over here. And if you don't want to exit out of your Viber but log out of your device permanently from your device from Viber, you will not be able to do that task from the Viber itself, but you can log out or the wipe out data of your Viber through your phone. To do that, go to your settings of your phone like this and search for apps. Scroll down a little bit and there is the apps option available over here. Let's tap on apps, and after that you can see the magnifying glass or the search icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the search icon and type in Viber and open Viber, and on this interface you can see the details of Viber after being installed onto our phone. And over here there is the storage option available over here just below the battery. Tap on storage, and over here on the bottom right side of the screen you can see the clear cache, and on the bottom left side there is the clear data. If you tap on clear data, your entire data of the Viber will be wiped out, which means you will be logged out of the Viber on the Android phone or the device you are currently using by tapping on clear data. And there guys, this is how you log out of your Viber on Android phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.